Okay, part two here. This might be part two of three, but I just tried the method that I saw on YouTube. I did get the vehicle running. It is running now. It was kind of a strange process though, and I'll show you kind of how that went down. That was really weird. I wasn't sure, but I was just happy to get the engine running. So, I guess with the fobs in the car, this is supposed to be unlocked. And so now when I press on the two micro switches and I put my foot on the brake, I should be able to start the engine. There we go. Okay, so it did just start with the two fobs in the car and me pressing on the two micro switches on the circuit board with it connected. Sorry, I can't really see here. Okay, there it's connected to the circuit board. I'm pressing on the micro switches. Once the car is started, I can let go of the micro switches and it'll stay running. All it's doing is looking for that steering column lock to be disengaged in order to start. It's an anti-theft feature. It's just once it allows the car to start, it's not looking for it anymore. So now you can drive around willy-nilly, whatever, as long as you don't try to turn off the car. So now if I turn off the car, there it's off. And now I'm going to try to start it again. And it's not going to start because I'm not pressing on the micro switches. You can see that they are fully deployed because the car now thinks that the steering lock is engaged, so it won't do it. So what I need to do is then press the micro switches, make the car think that it is unlocked, and it will start. Now we have a fully running car, and now I can take my thumb off the micro switches and it will run and drive like normal. So to save yourself $900 and $300 in towing costs, just take this damn thing off your car. This thing is a piece of shit. It's already been replaced once. The Altimas are the most common because everyone has an Altima, but not really everyone has a Cube. But at the same rate, it's a common failed problem that Nissan has acknowledged, and they fixed it, and then it failed again. So get rid of it. You don't need it. Who is going to steal a 2009 Cube? I mean, really? So this is me sharing my information with you. I hope you don't have to spend as much money as I did discovering this issue, but good luck. And it's not that easy. It's not that hard of a repair. It's kind of in depth. I had to tear apart a lot of the mechanical, the dash and stuff like that, but to actually get to the part and get it off wasn't too bad. And then just drilling those 4 pins out comes right apart, and then you can manipulate those switches. So I might post another video on how to permanently, so that you're not having to press the switches all the time. I'll keep them depressed in a later video, but for now I got the car running. Pretty happy about that. And if you're having the same issue, which you probably are, good luck.